My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Kia Niro. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done 16,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access My Menu, information and climate control, navigation, smartphone integration, settings, phone projection, and our hybrid. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. The Kia Niro also comes with heated seats on either side, as well as our heated steering wheel. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of the sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.